Everyone, I, Shikha Dugar, working as an assistant professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, welcomes to you all. Today, I'm delivering a lecture on demand schedule and demand curve. First of all, let us start with the topic demand schedule. Now, what is demand schedule? Demand schedule is when we demand particular commodity at different price levels, that is demand schedule. Now, demand schedule is divided into two parts, that is individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. When a particular commodity is demanded at different price levels, that is individual demand schedule. That means when a particular commodity is demanded on different price levels and the quantity demanded will decrease, that is individual demand schedule. For example, when the price of a commodity is price 1, the quantity demanded for that particular commodity is rupees 50, quantity 50. When the price is 2, quantity demanded is 40 units. When the price is 3, quantity demanded is 30 units. And when the price is 4, quantity demanded is 20 units. That is individual demand schedule. Clear? Now, next is market demand schedule. This is the aggregate of all the individual demand schedule. That means when we sum up all the individual demand schedule, it will come under market demand schedule. This table shows the different price level and the total quantity demanded of all the individual demand schedules. For example, price is 1, demand from dealer A, that is 50 units, demand for dealer B is 40 units and demand from dealer C is 35 units. Now the market demand will turn to when we sum up these three individual demand schedules, and that will come 25 total quantity demanded. Clear? Same is the case when the price is 2, quantity demanded will decline. Why? Because when the price of a commodity increases, its quantity demanded will automatically decrease, but will on the one condition, that is other things remains constant or other things remains same. The demand for when the price is 2, demand for particular commodity from dealer A is 40. It declines from 50 to 40. Now 40 to 45, 35 to 30, and the total demand will be 115. Clear? This is market demand schedule. Now the next topic is demand curve. Now what is demand curve? Demand curve is curve which shows on x-axis and y-axis. When we plot this individual demand schedule, this is a table. This is a table when we represent the different price levels and different quantity demanded in a form of table, that is individual demand schedule. And when we represent this table in the form of a diagram, that will be termed as individual demand curve. On x-axis we will plot different quantity demanded, and on y-axis we will plot different price levels. And again, same with the case with market demand schedule. When we plot this quantity demanded, this total quantity demanded and the prices in the form of a graph, that will be known as market demand curve. This represents the table of an individual customers when the price of a commodity and the quantity demanded, different prices, different quantities. And here it is the aggregate of all the individual demand schedule that will be termed as market demand schedule. And when we plot this table in the form of a graph, that individual demand curve and market demand curve. This is all about demand schedule and demand curve. For more details, please log on to our website, that is www.gurukpo.com. Thank you everyone.